This is so cool. Thanks, Mom, for all these birthday presents.
You're welcome, buddy. Happy.
Thanks, that was nice of you.
Go ahead, open it.
It's like the one that I own, so I think you just wrapped it.
Oh, what are the chances? Well, I got some.
What is that? Seriously? I think the scissors are in here. Scissors, scissors.
Birthday! What else would I do with the confetti cannon? Hey, boys! What? You boys to clean this up before people come over tonight.
People are coming over today?
We'll clean it, Mom. Don't worry about it. Okay, we're gonna be gone for a couple of hours.
I have to vacuum on my birthday because of you.
Well, technically, it's kind of your birthday. I'll help you clean up your mess.
This is not my mess.
Well, it could be debated. Got it!
Can you please stop doing that?
Engaging plug-in vacuum mode!
I can't see it. Got this one up.
Triple!
Confetti balloons.
Wait a second.
What is it?
Just come check it out! Hurry up! Surprise!
Uh-oh. I need some ammo. Stop! Well, can't use that one. We need a new blaster.
What in the world? Oh, what do we have here? Turned.
Which one should I use?
Yep, that's gonna be a lot of confetti.
Uh-oh, don't do anything!
Oh, I'm gonna do it all right. You're gonna be home in 3 minutes? This is messed up.
It's your mess.
Mom said it better be clean or else. Do you want Mom? It's tempting. I just have to shoot one of them.
Oh, no, don't use it. That blaster broke.
Huh? Why don't you guys make a video in your other house? That's a good question. We don't have our own, you know?
Picture of this week comes from
Marcus and Mason! Whoa, they look tough. I would not want to.
Little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear that we have lost our mittens. What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then you shall have no pie. Meow, 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 meow. No, you shall have no pie. You shall have no pie. Three little kittens, they found their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, mother dear, see here, we have found our mittens. Three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up their pie. Oh, mother dear, we greatly fear that we have soiled our mittens. What? Soiled your mittens, you naughty kittens? Then they began to sigh. Meow, 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 meow. Then they began to sigh. Then they began to sigh. Three little kittens, they washed their mittens and hung them out to dry. Oh, mother dear, do you not hear that we have washed our mittens? What? Wash your mittens, then you're good kittens, but I smell a rat close by. Meow, 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 meow. We smell a rat close by. We smell a rat close by.
You boys have been on those things way too much lately. You need to go outside. Very soon, that's gonna make you boys want to go outside, all right?
What's that supposed to be? Where do you think Mom meant when she said that? I don't know, but it's gonna. Good night. What happened to my Nintendo? I've had enough. What are you talking about? It's like 7 in the morning. I don't care. You're done. I don't hear any more excuses. You can't get away from me. Aha! Oh, really? Ah! The metal is done? Okay. I don't have to prove anything to you. What are you yelling about? Coley? Coley, I'm not falling for your trick. Coley? Hey. Yeah, we are a dog now. We're not gonna have a picture or comment of the week this week. We're gonna start fresh on the new year. Extreme toys this year. Thanks for watching us this year, guys. Yeah. It'll be soon, I promise. Like, can you do this?